I believe in the plans we made when we could feel the sun shining its warmth on our face. I believe in the hopes we had. I believe in dreams fragile as glass. I dared to believe it when we felt the wind at our backs. But if it all goes wrong, if it all goes wrong, I will walk through the whirlwind beside you. Feel the rain soak our clothes to the bone. I'll burn in the desert and shiver with you in the cold. I wanna feel every tear that you cry, falling hard on my chest when you're down. Find hope in the wasteland and love in the battleground. I believe in the path we chose. I believe in us walking that road. Whatever the weather, we'll take it together, I know. But if it all goes wrong, if it all goes wrong, I will walk through the whirlwind beside you. Feel the rain soak our clothes to the bone. I'll burn in the desert and shiver with you in the cold. Wanna feel every tear that you cry, falling hard on my chest when you're down. Find hope in the wasteland and love in the battleground. We'll rise and we'll fall. I won't sugarcoat it when we hit the wall. I want you to know it, you're what I want. Come whatever. I will walk through the whirlwind beside you. Feel the rain soak our clothes to the bone. I'll burn in the desert and shiver with you in the cold. No, I wanna feel every tear that you cry, yeah, falling all on my chest when you're down. Find hope in the wasteland and love in the battleground. Find peace in the chaos and love in the battleground.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover song, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. To by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now. Pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe. Next to me, two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, if they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. They don't love us, we don't need them. Well, let's find our own brand of freedom. Well, I don't mind the slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes.